Welcome to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva for graphic design. Canva is a powerful yet easy-to-use tool for creating stunning graphics, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, or even marketing materials, Canva has got you covered. So let's get started. First, let's head over to Canva's website at canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free, and it's a quick process. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Canva dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access all your designs and templates. To create a new design, click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner. Here, you can choose from a variety of templates like social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. Canva provides preset dimensions for different platforms, which makes it super convenient. For this tutorial, let's create an Instagram post. Canva offers thousands of templates that you can customize. These templates are professionally designed and cover a wide range of styles and purposes. Click on Templates in the left toolbar and browse through the options. Let's pick one that suits our style and click on it to apply. Templates can save you a lot of time and give your designs a professional look effortlessly. Once you've selected a template, you can customize it by clicking on any element. Change the text, colors, images, and more to make it your own. Canva makes it easy to tweak everything to match your brand or personal style. But don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations until you get the perfect look. To add text, click on Text in the left toolbar and choose from a heading, subheading, or body text. Click and drag it onto your canvas. You can then type your text and use the toolbar at the top to change the font, size, color, and alignment. Canva offers a wide variety of fonts, so you can find just the right one for your project. You can even adjust the spacing and add effects like shadows to make your text stand out. Let's add a catchy headline and customize the font. Canva offers a wide range of fonts, and you can even upload your own if you have a Canva Pro account. Changing the font style and size can dramatically affect the look and feel of your design. Try out different fonts and see what works best for your message. To add images and elements, click on Elements in the left toolbar to find shapes, icons, photos, and more. Canva's library is vast and has something for every need. You can also upload your own images by clicking Uploads. Simply drag and drop elements onto your canvas and adjust their size and position. Combining different elements can help you create unique and engaging designs. Let's add a background image and some decorative elements to our design. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it super easy to arrange everything just the way you want. You can resize, rotate, and layer elements to create a composition that draws attention and conveys your message effectively. Canva allows you to layer elements on top of each other. Click on an element and use the position button at the top to move it forward or backward. This helps in creating depth and hierarchy in your designs. Layering elements properly can make your design more dynamic and visually appealing. Let's bring our text to the front and send our background image to the back to make sure everything is visible and well organized. Proper layering ensures that your main elements stand out and your design remains clear and uncluttered. You can apply filters and effects to enhance your images. Click on an image and use the Filter and Adjust buttons. At the top, to apply different filters and adjust settings like brightness, contrast, and saturation. Filters can give your images a unique look, and adjustments can help you match the colors and tones across your design. Let's enhance our background image with a filter to make it pop. You can also use the Effects button to add cool effects like shadows, glows, and more. These features allow you to fine-tune your images and make your designs more striking. Once you're happy with your design, click on the download button at the top right. You can choose the file type you need, like PNG, JPG, or PDF, and then click download to save it to your computer. Canva also offers options to share your design directly to social media or via email, which is great for quickly publishing your work. And there you have it. These tips will help you create beautiful designs with Canva in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different elements and features. Canva's versatility means there's always something new to learn and try out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more graphic design tutorials and other tech tips. If you have any questions or specific topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and helping you become better at design. Until next time, good luck and peace.